How to add link on Snapchat story. Hello and welcome back to our official help desk. In today's video, I'm going to show you step-by-step process of how you can add links on your Snapchat story. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. Head over to your Snapchat. Now from here, you can click any video or post that you would like to add on story. Once you do so, you will see this link icon on your right side. Just tap onto it. Under type or URL, paste the link that you have copied. Now tap on Attach to Snap. Place it wherever you want. Once done, tap onto Stories on your bottom. As you do so, this is what your stories will look like, and your friends can just tap onto it and that will open up this YouTube video on YouTube. This is how you can do it. So that is all for today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, what you can do is like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss an update from us. Lastly, thank you very much for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.